many sea animals? What sea animals do you know? That's right, there's the easy one. Fish. Yes, fish live in the sea. Fish, that's right. Now, what type of fish what other ones do you know? What about a very, very big one? That's right, did you say that? Whale, look, yes, a very big whale. Oh, now, what else do you know? What about one that has 8 legs? Called tentacles. Do you know that one? 8 legs? What's this one? Can you guess? That's right, an octopus. Octopus. Very good. And what about one that likes to jump a lot in the water? Jump. And very clever. Starts with D. Dolphin. That's right, a dolphin. Yes, look, dolphin. Well done. Now, do you know this one that goes Ooh, with big teeth? Yes? Starts with shark. That's right. Yes, a shark. Oh, very good. Now, I want 2 more. There's one little one that lives in the sea that's like a shape like a star. What's it called? You're right. Yes, a starfish. Well done. And then there's another one that's very, very, very small. Do you know? That goes like this in the water. It's a seahorse. Well done, a seahorse. Yes, very good. Excellent. Shall we go through all of them again? What did we have? We had a fish, a whale, an octopus, a dolphin, a starfish, and a seahorse. Amazing! Now, who knows a song about a sea animal? Shall I give you a clue? Do you know this song? I think you do. Yes. Shall we sing it? What's it called? What's the name? That's right, Baby Shark. Oh, I love this song. Are you ready to do it? Remember, you have to do like this. Baby Shark. Okay. Mommy Shark. Good job. Daddy Shark. Oh. And Grandma Shark. Oh. Grandpa Shark. Very good. And put your hand. Let's go hunt. You remember that one? Yes. Run away. Very good. Safe at last. Oh. And it's the end. Okay. Are you ready? Shall we sing along? Here we go. Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark. Mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark. Daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark. Grandma shark do 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 do, grandma shark do 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 do, grandma shark do 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 do, grandma shark. Grandpa shark do 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 do, grandpa shark do 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 do, grandpa shark do 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 do, grandpa shark. Let's go hunt do 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 do, let's go hunt do 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 do, let's go hunt do 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 do, let's go hunt. Run away do 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 do, run away do 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 do, run away do 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 do, run away. Safe at last do 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 do, safe at last do 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 do, safe at last do 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 do, safe at last. It's the end do 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 do, it's the end do 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 do, it's the end do 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 do, it's the end do do do. Did you all sing with me? Wow, that was amazing. I can't sing anymore. Oh, did you sing? Very good. So you can practice this one at home. Shall we do it one more time? Yes? Okay. Take a breath. Are you ready? Have you got your baby shark ready? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do do
baby shark baby shark mommy shark mommy shark mommy shark mommy shark daddy shark daddy shark daddy shark daddy shark grandma shark grandma shark grandma shark grandma shark grandpa shark grandpa shark grandpa shark grandpa shark let's go hunt let's go hunt let's go hunt let's go hunt run away run away run away run away safe at last safe at last safe at last safe at last it's the end it's the end it's the end it's the end
Amazing! Did you all sing? Did you dance? Did Mummy and Daddy? Well done! Good job! That was all our sea animals today. So don't forget the sea animals. Are you ready? We'll do it one more time. We have a fish. Very good. Whale. Dolphin. Shark. Octopus. Starfish. And seahorse. Well done! That was very good. Okay, we'll see you again soon for our next topic. Don't forget, check out Coaching English on Facebook. Bye bye, kids. Bye bye.